Welding positioners. Tilt turntable welding positioners provide motion in two axes. The fixture workpiece sits on a rotating turntable that rocks or tilts. The basic styles are a flat degrees weld positioner that tilts the geared turntable from horizontal through vertical to 45 degrees, past vertical, and a welding positioner that tilts from 90 degrees, forward through horizontal to 45 degrees backward. A flat 135 degrees model is mounted on legs to provide enough clearance above the floor for the load to travel through vertical. Positioners have two axes of movement, rotation and tilt. Positioners have two axes of movement, rotation and tilt. This ability enables a positioner to provide the optimal welding position for more consistent and better quality welds. With today's emphasis on ergonomics, this is an important consideration in manual welding applications. Boda has a full line of positioners in numerous models. Cantilevered models range from 1,500 pound units up and include adjustable and fixed-based models on the smaller positioners, and power-elevating models on the larger units. Various models and types can be custom manufactured to fit nearly every requirement, such as drop-center positioners and gas-chambered positioners. Our positioners are often combined with a manipulator to produce a work cell for high-quality, efficient, automated welding applications. Standard features include a heavy-duty integral tilt gear and kingpin housing to ensure smooth turning and tilting, high-quality worm gear reducers for smooth operation, minimal backlash, solid